Hi guys! In today's vlog we will go to Sicily and explore one of the most beautiful Aeolian islands, and the name of it is Vulcano. And there is only one natural attraction on it. It's an old volcano which has a crater and it's fuming, and it's pretty much gorgeous. It's located only 10 minutes away from the main island, which is Lipari, so let's watch it. I've just arrived to Vulcano and unfortunately I have only 2 hours to go all the way on that hill and smell the actual fumes, and then I have to return back. Here's the beginning of the trail, and there is a warning sign that I should not inhale the fumes, which I did yesterday. The road here is quite nice. You can see the small volcano, you can see Lipari Island. Still walking, but almost there. Here's the real stuff. This is the crater of Vulcano and it's fuming. And it smells crazy, and awesome views everywhere. Then you have the whole land pretty much fuming. I have like half an hour. Really beautiful place. It's probably the best thing I've seen on Aeolian Islands, and yeah, it's time to go back. Unfortunately, I would stand there and see the whole sunset because the views are magnificent over there. The last ferry is like 8:10 strict time. Now it's time for a really fast run all the way down there and to the port. I'm back to the city and the ship is coming, so right in time. I got back to Lipari. Now I'm going to the hotel, get some shower, and then gonna look for some food. I think I'll go to the same restaurant as I went yesterday because it was amazing, and I think there are not so many varieties on this island, so... So the capers to the curve was amazing. I mean, it's something very special. The owner just took it out from the strange weird bottle, and the whole dinner was really amazing. So this is probably the best place in Lipari. So if you want to have a fancy dinner, go here. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel in here.